Hello everyone, today I would like to share a video tutorial to install link process and completing the whole package of wampserver on Windows 10. Basically this is the instruction of installing wampserver on Windows 10, and basically we are facing in real life some package including issue after installing the wampserver, and we are facing some issue which is not working on actual. So I am showing the step-by-step process and package included, which is the prerequisite for wampserver installation. Okay, let's go on the process. First of all, we would like to go to our wampserver website. This is the wampserver website. This is the download process. You can download your 64-bit Windows or 32-bit Windows, whatever we are using in your Windows. So download this one or this one, whichever you are using. To be sure, just go to your Windows feature. Go to your Windows feature, properties, and this will let you know you are using 64-bit or 32-bit according to your user interface and user system requirement. Just download. Okay, thank you. After downloading the wampserver, you will have to download the package included, which is the prerequisite for installing wampserver perfectly for your development process. So go to a new website, wampserver.av, that on web page, and you will get the repository link. Just go on there. This is the website. I will put the link in video description. Here you can download it here or web server, whatever you like. After that, just go on the below section and download. If you is using 62-bit Windows, 64-bit Windows, then download this one and install everything. And you are using 32-bit, just download x86 32-bit. Okay, as you wish. I have already downloaded. For that reason, I am showing the repository. This is all you have to download and install each and everything before installing the wampserver. This is the prerequisite package including for Windows. Okay, I am showing a single one, just one that. Just follow the process. I am already installed that. For that reason, it asking me repair. Just close. If you are using for the first time, it will not show you it. Okay, thank you. And after that, you will have. I have already downloaded the wampserver. So in my download file, just double click on that. It will take some time as according to your Windows performance. I am just using a slow processor computer. For that reason, it will take some time. No issue. It will asking me to accept agreement. Just go on that and next. After that, it will asking the wampserver prerequisite setup and next one. And this is the location where the wampserver will be installed and your running server will work on. Just see 1.64 and next. This is the ultimate process. This is asking you that which components should be installed. This is the whole process. Okay, this is already installing MariaDB and PHP 5.6. okay, and previous version of this one will be automatically installed, so no need this one, and that after that I am just clicking everything. Let's go on next. If you missed something, you think after pressing the next you need to re-edit something, just go back on and just check on that. Okay, and just next one. Next, this is the ready to install guide. This is informing you that the default installation and all the package description. After pressing the installation, it will start it automatically. Just wait a bit. After completing the whole process in your internal computer, it will notify you that the installation is done. Now installation is under process. Now it is asking that which browser you would like to use as default for wampserver. So I am using something else, not in Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is asking you, do you want to choose another browser on your system? And I would like to use another browser. Yes, it is asking me to select my browser. Then I have to go to the main program and Google. Why is my Google? Yeah, this is my Google Chrome, and I just select it. This is asking which notepad or text editor you would like to use as a default user. I am not sure. I am not fixing this. I am not getting rigid for that reason. So I'm no. Now creating an. This is the last step of wampserver installation process. After completing the process, we just configured and just check our server is working perfectly or not. And in this time, I would like to say you all, before installing wampserver, this is a local server. You would like to use your computer as a web server, as local, to develop your program, develop your code, and vice versa. And for that reason, you have to configure your system accurately for behaving your system as according to your application. So prerequisite package is really helpful. Before installing the wampserver, just install all the packages which I have linked and showed you. I will given you the link in description section. Okay, this is the information. Okay, just go next and finish. Just wait a bit. This is my wampserver. Okay, I am just double clicking it, and it's just start configuring. Meanwhile, I will show you the location, actual location of my wampserver. This is my C drive. This is my C drive. This is the wampserver. Okay, PC, C, and wampserver. This is the all application that have installed and repository. Okay, if you would like to install WordPress or something else, just your location will be here in between the wampserver folder. Okay, thank you very much. Wampserver is about to start. This is the pattern. It's restarting. When it is green, then it's the perfectly working. Now to work perfectly, I am just refreshing it again, just red. It will try to configure system requirement, and this one. Now wampserver is run. Just now there are 2 or 3 steps to configure your WordPress wampserver perfectly. Just right button on there and go phpMyAdmin, and another thing, localhost. Just wait. Meanwhile, I have now it's coming through browser. Just wait it. As we have selected Google Chrome as a default browser, so that's why it's coming. This is the whole process and in detail after the wampserver installation guide detail. This is our Apache version, software version, PHP version, and the magical thing is MySQL, this is one, and MariaDB, this is one. This is your default. Okay, if you would like to change MariaDB to SQL or SQL to MariaDB, there is, I will show you the option. Go on and click on tool, and this is the list. Invert default MySQL to MariaDB. Close. Now just keep on here. I'm refreshing, and it will also restarting server. Now already changed. MariaDB has become default version and MySQL become the secondary version. Okay. Now for your all information, I would like to inform you that MySQL is getting paid and MariaDB is free version, so it's up to you which one you use for development version. Okay. Now I am rewarding for my purposes. Let's go to tool and invert MariaDB to MySQL. It will also working on. Thank you very much. This is all the installation process of wampserver as according to your computer environment and package control. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.